should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, good morning, Clarke. No, good morning, everyone. Dito kami sa room. Dito ako sa room ni Clarke. So, late kami nagising. Yeah, late tayo nagising. Oh, what's that? Oh, there's koala. Oh, there's one more tanda. The car tunnel. So, ayun nga. Late kami nagising. It's around 10 o'clock na. You wanna go downstairs? So, bababa na kami. Oh, magulo ata yung baba. Char. Sabi naman magulo. Where's the dandelion? Oh, asan na? Wala na yung dandelion. Wala na. It's okay. We can find another dandelion next one. May allergy kasi siya sa nuts. Eh, ayan no, namamagay yung mata niya. Kahapon, paglabas ko ng CR, hala siya, namamagay yung mata. Ayan. Yung pala, peanut butter sa kwarto ng daddy niya. So, ayun nga. Ulit. May allergy kasi siya sa sa nuts. Itong si Jerome. Kakatuwa ang ginawa. Sinabi ng linisin ng peanut butter. Ayan. Iniwan sa kwarto niya at nilaro ni Clarke. Anaphylactic kasi siya sa peanuts and eggs. So, mas grabe sa peanut. So, kahapon magang-maga talaga yung mata niya. So, yung mga may anak na may allergy dyan. So, they can relate. So, medyo picky ako sa mga food niya kasi nga may allergy siya. May allergy siya. Sa egg, he can eat naman fried rice with egg but still in moderation na-diagnose siya na at anaphylactic nung bata siya, nung baby siya. So, yes, Clarke? Kaya namamaga. Kaya, pag eggs, 1 hour, medyo magalang, pantal-pantal lang. After 1 hour, okay na. Pero yung peanuts, mas grabe. Ayan, hanggang ngayon, maga pa rin yung mata niya. Pero mas umokay na naman na siya ngayon. Eyes. Oh no. It's a beautiful morning. Mama got the new leaves. Mama's plants got the new leaves. Look. There's a baby leaf. Growing. Oh no, touching. Oh, ganun lang. Oh no. There's a dry leaf. Ito ang aking mga pananim. Hindi pa nag-i-sprout yung iba. So, pechay, spring onions, bell pepper, saka garlic yung nandyan. Yes! Today, we're gonna be Clarke and I we're gonna be cooking chicken afritada. Yay! We got chicken. Na-marinate na namin to kagabi. Then, we got, what's that? What's that? Carrots. Potato. And then we got tomatoes, onion, green peas, and garlic and salt and pepper. Let's get cooking. Let's get cooking. Okay. Nagluluto na ako dahil late na naman. Okay. I'll see you guys later. Wala pala akong bell pepper. May green peas naman. Mahilig si Clarke ng mga savory food like yung mga adobo at saka ano yun? Adobo yung afritada, menudo, mechado. Alam mo na. Every week nasa listahan. Yan, mga yan. Hindi siya masyado sa karne. So, usually, dinadamihan ko ng yan. Yung carrot, saka potato. Gusto ko kasing prito muna yung chicken before ko siya pakuluan. Like sa adobo, ganun din ginagawa ko. Kasi para matanggal yung lansa. Ewan ko lang. Ako lang gumagawa. Sa akin lang yun. Huwag niyo akong gayahin, guys. Feeling ko lang matatanggal yung lansa. So, like that. Ganyan na siya. Can I see? Can I see? Show the camera. What is that? Ah? B. What does the B says? Show daddy. Oh, yay! B.
Huh?
Bees. It's a bee. Yellow bee. Oh, ganito yung ginagawa niya sa mga cars niya. Yan. Nila-line up niya isa-isa. Oh, go. Play with your cars. Ito yung tanong mo. So guys, balikan natin yung niluluto ko na chicken afritada. What? You wanna see Mama's afritada? Okay. Wanna see it? Wow! Wow! Wow naman, cooking ang baba. Come on, let's go. So malapit na siyang maluto. Yung green peas na lang hinihintay ko. So, yes. And then kakain na kami. Cover it and simmer for 2 minutes. Say 2 minutes. No, lagay mo. 2 minutes. Ano? What are you saying?
Mama, I can get ice.
Can I get ice pop? It's still warm. Hindi pa na-freeze. Kakalagay lang ni Mommy sa freezer. Okay? You have to wait. I need your patience. Very good. Gusto niya ng ice pop. I'm gonna show you the chicken afritada. Kakain lang kami, guys. Papakainin ko muna si Clarke pala. And then, I'm gonna give ice pops to Clarke later. So, it's our turn, guys. Ikain na kami.
Eating time! Kain! Kain tayo! Luto ni Mami!
Bili namin from Ate Chara's backyard.
Yun!
We'll see you guys later.
See you guys later!
Bye. You wanna see you guys later? See you guys later. You say see you guys.
Hello.
Close the lens.